What's up, guys? So, coming at you with another K10 video. Yes. So, I'm going to warn you, this might not turn out very well. I'm going to film one decal and see how it goes. Because I really don't like working with these kind of decals. They're the water. You gotta like soak them in water, and then you gotta like slide them off the little piece of cardboard. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but whatever. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do it with you guys on film. So this might be a fairly long video. I don't know. It could be fairly quick too if it screws up. So bear with me. So yeah, let me get stuff around and we'll get started. Okay, here we go. So this is kind of a debut video too, because once you guys see what this says, I should try to probably turn you guys around so it's not reversed. So hold on, let me try to get this to work. Okay, it looks like it's going to work. So here we go. All right. So here we are, guys. Check it out. Bam. USA 1. Another oldie. Freaking awesome. So excited. Hopefully this works. This is kind of sketchy. Not a fan. My dad is extremely good at doing this stuff. I was gonna have him do it and then show you guys later, but which might still happen depending on how this goes. So yeah, we shall see. I hope it goes good. Don't really know how long to soak these for. So this is going to be interesting. Going to be very interesting. I really hope I don't screw this up. Will not be happy. Here we go. The moment of truth. Oh yeah, it's sliding around pretty good. This might end up going pretty smoothly. Alrighty. Going to just... Oh man, that was a close one. I almost just tore it. That was a close one. Get it positioned right where I want it. And I think that's looking pretty good. And now, how do I get the water out from underneath of it? That is looking pretty killer, guys. That is pretty sweet. That is stinking sweet, guys. Pretty stinking sweet. Just gotta fudge it a little bit. I really don't know how to get these things to dry. So, maybe this will work. that obviously is not dry. But it is looking pretty killer. Pretty stinking sweet. Just gotta get all the bubbles out of it. Hopefully you guys can see this. Check it out. Isn't that freaking cool? Alright, so I'm going to get this thing to dry and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so we have decal number 2 on. Boom. Check it out. Isn't that sweet? Pretty stinking sweet. Alright, I think this is actually upside down, so it really sucks, but whatever. I will get the other one on and we'll go from there. Be right back, guys. Okay, we got decal number 2. There's that side. And there's that side, guys. Pretty stinking sweet. Yes, I know it's reversed, but you guys get the point. Oh shit. I forgot I had to take the magnets off to get the decal on the hood. Alright, I think I'm only going to do 2 more, guys. And then that's going to be it for this video, because it's probably getting kind of long. But pretty stinking sweet. Be right back, guys. Okay guys, so we are putting on not the last decal, but the last decal for tonight. And I already realized I messed up. This should have been higher because this next decal is supposed to come to the top of the box side. But I think it'll still look pretty sweet. So here we go. Slide that off like that. Get my finger a little wet. Slide it into position. Just like that, guys. Boom. I mean, it's not really, that was kind of loud. It's not really too difficult to put these on, but it's just time consuming. And if you like get them too wet, then I think they like fall apart. I've never got them too wet. I just think they're just a big pain in the butt. But anyway, so there it is, guys. USA 1. So there's 2 different schemes I could have went with. I could have went with that scheme, but this is more the classic, more the original truck that he had. And then I got to put the rest of this stuff on too. I'll probably do that all later. I might not get them exactly in the same spot as what they're supposed to in comparison to his actual truck, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna have at least the same decals on there somewhere. So yeah, pretty stinking sweet, guys. All right, so there it is, the debut of USA 1. So yeah, look at that. Isn't that freaking stinking sweet? It just makes the truck. Again, as always, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Punch that subscribe button and smack the bell so you guys get notified when I post. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. So Sunday. Yeah, my dad's coming over, so it's gonna be pretty cool, pretty fun time. He's gonna help me film a couple of videos, so yeah, look forward to that. But anyway, see you guys tomorrow. Take it easy.